healthy and taking all the precautions because we are still not out of the COVID-19 yet. And your board exams are approaching. So I'm sure all of the students out there who are attending the sessions today and you are taking all the precautions, necessary precautions. Your board exams are about to begin in around 1.5 months' time. So it's very important for you to take care of your health. Today, we are going to see how we can apply this to Symbiosis program, Symbiosis International University, and we have multiple programs offered by the university. And for the different programs, there are different examinations. Like for BBA and other programs, we have SCT General, Symbiosis Entrance Test General, and for the law program, we have Symbiosis Law Admission Test. So we'll try to understand step by step as to how the application has to be filled. And because there are colleges involved, there are constituent colleges within the university which are offering the different programs. So उन colleges के लिए किस तरीके से apply करना है? So when can you make the payment? Whether you can make the payment right now or you can make the payment at a later stage. So that we'll try to understand during the course of the session. So we'll see as to how we can fill the application form for each of the programs, law and BBA, and there are of course other courses which you can apply through a single entrance examination. So let's get started. And the first step would be to go to the Symbiosis homepage, which is www.set-test.org. So this is your web link where you have to go and you have to register yourself first. You cannot directly apply out there. So पहले आपको register करना पड़ेगा. So as you can see, there are two options out here. So you have apply now, you have existing users. So first up apply now पे click करोगे, which will take you to the registration page. Okay, so the next step will be to first register yourself. यहाँ से आप registration page पे जाओगे, and then you can proceed and submit your details out there. So the first thing is to register your application. First is to create your credentials for Symbiosis entrance examination. So here is the first step. You register, you click on register, and then what will happen? A new window will open wherein you get some guidelines. So once the window opens, you get some guidelines which talks about the various terms and conditions which university wants you to read before you go ahead and complete the application process. And you have to agree to all the terms and conditions by selecting the checkbox which is given over here. So you have to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you have to click on I agree. So if you disagree, obviously you will not be allowed to fill the form. So you have to agree to all the terms and conditions which are given out there. So read the instructions. That would be my suggestion, because you should know what exactly the university wants you to be conveyed, because there are a lot of instructions which talk about how on the test day your biometrics will be captured. So all these instructions are important. So please read the instructions before you agree to them, and then go ahead and submit this part. Once you have submitted this part, then what will happen? You will have to fill some basic details, and then only the registration will be complete. So you'll be required to fill in your name over here. You'll be required to select the appropriate checkbox for the gender. You have to fill in your date of birth using the drop-down mechanism out here. And then you have the option for the category. Now, this category is basically about the caste category. So whether you belong to general category, whether you belong to other reserve categories, and there is also seats reserved, supernumerary seats reserved for Kashmiri migrants and Kashmiri Pandits, or Kashmiri Hindu families who are non-migrants and living in Kashmir Valley. So from here, appropriately, you have to select which category you belong to, whether you are from a general category, which means open here, or any of the other categories. Differently abled is for PWD candidates. So select appropriately which of that applies to you. Then you have to give your email ID over here, and you have to retype your email ID. So आप अपना email ID दोबारा से retype करोगे, and then you have to talk about your educational background. So in class 12th, you studied which stream. So from the drop down, you can select science, commerce, or humanities. So which stream you studied, you have to select. So this is the basic registration part. We are not talking about the colleges yet. So this is the basic registration part, which we have to complete before we go ahead and fill the online application form. Once you have once you have completed the registration part, then you will be receiving a unique ID and a password, which definitely you will be required to change at the first login. So once you have selected your educational background, then you have the option to select which exam you want to appear for. Now here, there are two options. One is morning session, the other one is afternoon session. Now within morning session, there are two different examinations. One is for engineering, one is for law. Now, there is an option for none. So if you're not applying for either of the two, SLAT, which is for law students, students who are targeting law as a career, or SIT Triple E, which is for engineering aspirants basically. So those students who wish to apply for the engineering program at Symbiosis. So depending on which course you are applying, you can select one of the two options from the morning session. If you are not aspiring for any of these two programs, then you will select none over here and you'll move to the afternoon session, which says afternoon session general. Now, what are the options in the afternoon session general? You have only one option, which is general and general, set general, basically Symbiosis entrance test general. Now set general will cover multiple courses. So if you aspire to apply for the BBA program, if you're looking forward to economics, if you're looking forward to the liberal arts program, if you're looking forward to the BCA program at Symbiosis, this is one common written examination which will be considered for all these programs basically at Symbiosis, for the different colleges which under Symbiosis which impart this program. So here you have to be careful. So if you want to apply, you can apply for both the exams. You can go for the morning session. There are many students who actually apply for the BBA as well as law program. Such students are required to select one exam, which is SLAT in the morning session, and in the afternoon session, one has to select SET General. If you are only targeting law, then you have to only select SLAT from the morning session and you have to select none in the afternoon session. तो इस बात का ध्यान रखना कि आप किस एग्जाम को टारगेट कर रहे हो, आप किस एग्जाम के लिए ये फॉर्म फिल कर रहे हो. If you are applying for both, then select appropriately SLAT in the morning session, SET in the afternoon session. If you are applying for only one, if you are applying for law, select SLAT from the drop down, and in the afternoon session, select none. If you're applying for BBA programs, then in the morning session, select none, and in the afternoon session, select general. So that's how you have to select as far as the exams are concerned. These two exams will have different timings, but will be conducted on same day, which is 27th of June this year. So they'll be conducted on the same day, but they will have different timings, okay? Then you have to provide your preference for the test center. Then you have to provide your preference for the test center. So you'll have to select 3 cities depending on your place of residence. If that city itself is a test center within the drop down, then better you select that as your first preference. For example, agar aap Mumbai mein rehte ho or Mumbai is one of the locations given out there as test centers, select Mumbai first. Then select nearest city, which could be Pune, which could be Thane, if they have differentiated that. So you must be very, very careful. Why here you have to be careful? Because see, if there are more number of applicants at a particular city, then they will allot your next best choice basically, which is preference number 2. So you have to be really, really careful. आप पहला city वो डालो जहाँ पे आप रहते हो, or the city which is very near to your place. Because see, there are many exams for which announcements have not been done yet. I'm sure we know that, for example, those people who are targeting BBA at Narsee Monjee, the exam is also scheduled on 27 June, 2nd July, and 4th July. So obviously 27 June, if you are targeting Symbiosis, you cannot appear for NPAT. But there are many exams for which dates have not been announced, so we don't know yet. So you have to be really, really careful. You are not traveling to a different city जहाँ से वापस आना within the given time frame थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Then you have to upload your photograph Please ensure that the size of the photograph should be between 10 KB and 500 KB, and these are the 4 formats permissible: JPG, JPEG, PNG, and GIF. These are the only 4 formats which are allowed. So when you are uploading your photograph, take a good quality photograph of yourself against a lighter background, and work on that photograph, resize it, and then upload that. Once you have done this, my suggestion would be to preview your registration form so that no mistakes have been committed, because these parameters would not be cannot be changed at a later stage. Okay, and then you click on save and continue and proceed to receive the OTP basically. So once you have completed this part, you'll get a pop-up which will provide your name, your date of birth, your category, and your email ID. If your details are okay, click on OK and then wait for the OTP. Now you'll receive that OTP on your mobile as well as email. So check that OTP. Within 30 seconds, you'll be receiving that OTP. वो OTP यहाँ पे feed करो and click the submit button. Now your registration part is complete. From here, you'll be taken to the payment page for the exam, basically. So the first payment has to be done for the examination, not for the institutions right now, not for the programs right now. अभी आपको सिर्फ exam का payment करना है. So the examination fee is 1950 this year. So if you're applying for both the programs, then appropriately select through the check boxes and then you make the payment. If you're applying for only one program, then the amount which will appear will be 1950 over here, and then you'll have to make that payment. Without making the payment, you cannot proceed. जब तक आपने exam fee pay नहीं किया है, you cannot move and complete your application form. So click on pay and submit your and make the payment using the digital method, credit card, debit card, internet banking, whatever you want to use, payment karo for the appropriate exam which you have selected, and then you can go ahead and make the online application. So once the payment part is complete, you have to click on continue, and then you will be taken to the online application form, wherein you have to submit your personal details. Your name will be pre-filled, your gender will be pre-filled, so these options will come pre-filled, your date of birth will be pre-filled. You have to select your nationality from the drop-down. Your category is pre-filled because that particulars you submitted during the registration a short while ago. Then whether you are an NRI, you can exercise that option over here. Some of the constituent colleges of Symbiosis have seats reserved for non-resident Indians actually. For them, there is a separate process. You have to also connect with the SET secretariat. So if you are an NRI by any chance, then you must select yes. If not, then select no on the checkbox. Fill in your address details. आप यहाँ पे अपना एड्रेस डिटेल्स फिल करो, बी केयरफुल, करेक्टली फिल करो, स्टेट सेलेक्ट करो, पिन कोड टाइप करो, सिटी टाइप करो. योर मोबाइल नंबर इज ऑलरेडी प्री फिल्ड. यू कैन ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड इफ यू विश योर अल्टरनेट मोबाइल नंबर. सो आप अपने पेरेंट्स का मोबाइल नंबर यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो. इट्स अ गुड एक्सरसाइज. यू शुड बी डूइंग दैट. इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी, बट बाय एनी चांस if they have to send some notification, some information, this will really help actually. So if you're not able to receive on your mobile, then probably your parents can receive that. So it's always good to give the alternate numbers. Okay, so this much part I hope is clear. Let's move ahead and look at the entire application form. After that, you have to provide your details about the class 10th background and as to what percentage of marks, which board you appeared from. आपने किस board से exam दिया था? CBSE board, Maharashtra board, ICSE board, Gujarat board. So whichever is applicable to you, select from the drop down, select year of passing from the drop down, and input your percentage of marks which you have secured. यहाँ पे कोई best 4, best 5 नहीं चलेगा. Either follow the board regulation. For example, in CBSE, 5 papers are considered for percentage of marks. Yeah, that you can follow. Or you can take the aggregate of the overall subjects which you have appeared for actually. So that ways, but don't follow the process. Most students are like best 4 डाल देते हैं या best 3 डाल देते हैं. Please don't do that. So that you should not be doing. Okay. Then comes your HSC, which is 10 plus 2, higher secondary details, which you have to submit out here. So from the drop down, you have to select which stream you are studying right now or which stream you have studied. If you have completed your class 12th earlier, let's say 2020 or even before that, then you need to select the stream anyways. After that, you will be required to select whether you are appearing or you have already completed and passed class 12. So the moment you select pass, then you will have to fill the percentage details and the board details and which year you passed out. If you are appearing for the board examination, which will apply to most of the students, then you have to select appearing over here. Nothing after that, ये drop down इसके बाद खत्म हो जाएगा, इसके बाद यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. Then depending on the program which you have selected, for example morning का अगर SLAT select किया है, afternoon का general select किया है, so here you will see the list of the colleges and the programs which you can target through that exam. For example, if I talk about Symbiosis law admission test, this is for these law students, the students who are looking forward to study law at any of the Symbiosis law schools. And we all know each of the law schools of Symbiosis offer BLLB and BBLLB. And for these two programs, you have to apply separately, and for each application, separate fee will be charged by each of the campuses. So her program, her campus ka fee hota hai 1,000 rupees. So if you go on to select all 8 options, for example, Symbiosis Pune BLLB, Symbiosis Pune BBLLB, then you will be paying, apart from the exam fee of 1950, आपको separately 2,000 rupees pay करना पड़ेगा. Symbiosis comes out with separate cutoffs for both the programs. So you have to be careful which all campuses and which all programs you are applying for. Accordingly, you'll have to make the payment for each of the programs, each of the campuses selected out there. For the students who are from Nagpur, they get 25% reservation in SLS Nagpur as well as SCMS Nagpur, which is for the BBA. So coming back, this part is about law. So you can select the colleges and the programs which you intend to apply for, and then you can proceed. So ये हो गया law की कहानी. So law में अगर आपने apply किया है, आप Symbiosis law admission test के लिए apply कर रहे हो, so you have to select appropriately. Then if you are applying for BBA program for that matter, अगर आप BBA program के लिए apply कर रहे हो, then these are the options which will be there under on the screen. So if one is applying for BBIT, then this is the checkbox one has to click. Then Symbiosis Institute of Computer Studies and Research BCA program, SCMS Pune BBA program, mass communication can also be taken up through this single entrance itself. So which means if you wish to apply for mass communication and BBA at the same time or BSc economics at the same time, you have to select those colleges. So for example, अगर कोई candidate BBA और economics दोनों के लिए apply करना चाहता है, so what the student will do, student will select the campuses, because there are 3 campuses where you have your BBA program. So you have SCMS Pune, you have SCMS Noida, and you have SCMS Nagpur. So आप select करो which all campuses you wish to apply for the BBA program, and simultaneously, if you want yourself to be considered for the BSc Economics program as well, you have to select this checkbox as well. Okay, there are some institutions of Symbiosis where there are particularly 5% seats reserved for the wards of or the children of defense personnel. Now let me clarify, and that would be clear in the application itself. When they talk about defense personnel, they consider Army, Navy, and Air Force. So paramilitary will not be considered as part of defense forces. So Army, Air Force, Navy, serving, retired, so that would serve the purpose, but only these 3 services would be considered for the defense quota. So if you are a ward of a defense personnel, then please select yes out here and you'll get that benefit. So अगर आप belong करते हो defense line से, आपके parents defense में हैं, either in Army, Navy or Air Force, please select that yes. If not applicable to you, please select no. And remember, Nagpur जैसे ही select करोगे Nagpur का college, तो आपको question आएगा, do you wish to seek admission under Nagpur domicile category? 25% of the seats are reserved for students at Nagpur campus for the Symbiosis Nagpur basically. So whichever program you are applying for, so वहाँ पे आपको इस चीज का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. So please select yes if you fulfill the condition, otherwise no, and proceed. So I hope this is clear till now, and there should not be any problem while filling the application form. Next is so once you have done that, your test preferences will appear on the screen. जो आपने registration के time पे fill किया था, वो preferences आपको यहाँ नजर आएंगे. Then they'll have a question: how did you learn about Symbiosis? So from the drop down, you can select आपको कैसे पता लगा, whether you got to know through internet. Whether you got to know through friends, family. So there are multiple options out there. आप किसी भी option से वो कोई भी option जिसके through आपको Symbiosis के बारे में पता लगा, आप select करो. Your photograph is already there. So if you want to change, you can browse and upload the photograph once again. But the one you uploaded during the registration process, that photograph is already there. So यहाँ पे कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't need to do anything. And then once you have filled all this, all the particulars, I suggest please scroll the form, check each detail, spellings and everything. आपने सब कुछ सही सही fill किया है. Same has to be done during the registration part. Same has to be done for the online application, because once you have submitted, you cannot make any changes. So spend some another 5 minutes while you have completed the exercise. Scroll करो, अच्छे से एक particular को check करो, and then when you are confirmed that there are no mistakes, every particular is correct, then click on save and continue. So that's almost the final stage of the application. आपने save and continue किया, then you'll see the payment window जो आपने payment अभी तक किया है. So you make the payment for the different exams, whichever you are applying for. अगर आपने एक exam के लिए apply किया है, so 1950 का payment किया होगा. अगर आपने दोनों के लिए apply किया है, तो 3900 का payment किया होगा. वो यहाँ पे visible हो जाएगा, the mode, the date on which you made the payment actually. And then below that, you'll also have the option wherein you can make the payment for the respective programs and colleges which you selected a short while ago here. So जब आप application fill कर रहे थे, आपने जो भी option select किए थे, for every option selected by you, 1,000 rupees has to be paid. So if you selected, let's say 3 options, 3 campuses, 3 different programs, then you'll be making an additional payment of 3,000. Now, what if you don't make that payment? If you don't make that payment, then even if you clear the cutoffs, even if you have a score which is very, very good, which is much higher than the cutoff, you will not be considered for the admission process, because the college which is deciding the cutoff does not know your score, because they will be fetching the score of only those candidates जिन्होंने उनको apply किया है, colleges को भी payment किया है. So please make that payment once you have decided कि ये program में apply करना चाहता हूँ, ये courses में apply करना चाहता हूँ, and these are the campuses. So you can go for every program, you can go for every campus, but then you have to make those additional payment for each campus, each program in the multiples of 1,000. If you don't make that payment, even if you do well in the examination, you will not be considered for the further process of admission, which means you just appeared for the examination, but you will not be considered as a candidate for admission for the academic year. So please make the payment कर लो, tension free हो जाओ. Boards के समय ये सब tension नहीं लेना है, because the last date is anyways 4th of June. So 4th June, most of you will be writing the board examination. So don't carry that tension forward actually. Be stress free while you are writing your board examinations. Okay, so that was a simple process. That was a very simple process to fill the Symbiosis set or SLAT form basically for 2021. So please go ahead. If you have not done yet, please go ahead and complete the application process and make the payment for all the respective institutions. So that would be all. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to the channel and do like the video, and we'll keep doing such sessions in future so that you do not have any difficulty while making applications for the different institutions. So we have already done it for CLAT, we have done it for IELTS, we did it for Christ Delphi yesterday. So you can watch those videos to see how the application has to be done for those colleges or those exams. And further, we'll be coming up with other applications as and when they are announced. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening.